This is Jim. Jim looks sad. All day, Jim is inside. What Jim really wants is the air and sun of the outside, adventure, nature. Jim's not quite sure how he got here, but all that's about to change for Jim. So Jim logs onto his computer and goes to birdwoodllc.com, where he sees amazing sights, wonderful products, hope, and inspiration. And Jim begins to imagine the things that he could be doing.
Wow!
So Jim takes the leap. He finds a community of like-minded folks. And as he grows, he learns, and he's able to share the things he's learned. And now, Jim is what you might call a steward, an ambassador to birds and people all over the world. But more importantly, Jim is happy. Jim has found purpose and an entire worldwide family. Good job, Jim.